guys, Jordan here. Welcome and welcome back to the channel if you are new here. Today we have another product review which I am super excited about. Today's video will be reviewing SISILILY Magic Eyeliner and Eyelash Kit. If you are like me and you are interested in budget-friendly, affordable beauty and makeup products, this product is definitely one that you need to add to your collection. I have actually worn a pair of these lashes before, and it's actually the same lashes that I did the tutorial with today. And I just want to say a big shout out to SISILILY, I hope I'm pronouncing it correctly, for sending me their lash kit. And if you are like me and you purchased off on Amazon, guess what? This product is on Amazon, so you can go ahead and add it to your collection. Without further ado, let's get started. This is the lash that we're reviewing today, and it's basically a magic eyeliner and eyelash kit. So I'm gonna show you what the product looks like and what is inside. So I have actually worn these lashes before. I tested them out for myself and they actually really do work. So because of that, I actually went ahead and clicked it. So what the instruction says when you're starting out, you need to shake the product. The top here would be up and then you would click it and let both of them set for about 10 minutes. So the applicators, they come clear. So because I already clicked it, this is the reason why the applicator is looking like this, which is black, and the other one is clear, but I got some makeup on it. What I'm gonna do to test these out, I'm gonna do one with the black adhesive on, which is a liner as well, and I'm gonna do one with the clear so you guys can see that they both work. And now I'm gonna go in and do a regular wing eyeliner. And now it's time to add our lashes. So now I'm gonna use this pair because I've used them before and I really like them. So let's just pop these on. And voila. So now we're gonna go in with the liquid eyeliner, so I'm gonna be applying it close to my lash line. So again, we're gonna go in with some mascara. And now it's time to add our lashes. And that is it, guys. As you can see, one eye gives you a more natural effect. This is the one with the clear liner, and this one is with the regular black eyeliner, which gives you a little bit of a more dramatic effect, which is also great. So it all depends on the style or the mood that you're in, which will determine how you use your magic liner. Now, if you are interested in this product, it retails at $17.99 on Amazon, so you can go ahead and pick that up. Thank you guys so much for being here. It was an absolute pleasure doing this review for you. Thank you, SISILILY Lashes, for sending me this lashes. Now that we have reached to the end of the video, I want to invite you guys to go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to drop me a comment, share this video with someone who might be interested in this type of content, and also subscribe to my channel if you have not yet done so, and just be here on this journey with me. And until I catch you guys in another video, take care, walk good, be safe.
Lost inside my thoughts, and when I start to think, oh, the time how close it starts.